Diesel Golf is here now. 2 Mark 1s have swapped places. Today I'm gonna take this car to the winter storage and the Diesel Golf from the winter storage to here. That's just so I can start to do some service, repairs. Service, repairs and such on the Diesel Golf to make it ready for the road trip this summer, instead of doing everything right before traveling. I want to start with the easiest thing, which is the 12-volt output. So this car is the base of the base model. As far as I can tell, it doesn't have anything extra. And it does not have the 12-volt output here, which usually Mark 1s have. This one do not. The interior is very nice in this car, so I do not want to drill in it or make any holes. It's not cracked as far as I've seen, so this car has been kept very nice throughout the years. The only thing I have found so far, someone has cut one hole under the glove box. It's not really a box, it's just open space. The hole is here. I don't know what's been there, so I want to try to make the 12-volt output here. If not, this will work. Then I want to have it under the dash and just kind of not sticking out but being kind of flush. This is the thing. This is the output I'm gonna use. This is the same one I have in my all-wheel drive Mark 1 Golf. So let's start by taking this apart. This is where I was thinking to drill the hole. No, not to drill the hole, to use the hole, which is already all red. Let's do this again. This is the hole I was thinking to use, which is already drilled. This. Something like that. And maybe I will even be able to make room for 2 of these. One which is like this, and the other one with 2 USB outputs. This is very much not precision at all, but I think it's good enough for what I will do with it. I said in the beginning that this hole is probably cut out, and I was thinking, don't I have another one from the Quattro Golf? And I found one. This is much nicer, but this also has the hole. So I would like, if anyone knows what is meant to go there, or what it's used for, why is it there, please let me know. I'm gonna take this from the paper, find piece of sheet metal, cut it out. I started to do cut out the work and blah blah blah. Not gonna do that anymore. New plan, just make it simple, because since I realized I have another one of this and it looks much nicer than this does. To break a promise, I'm gonna drill 2 holes here, and then it will definitely be room for one more next to it. So far so good. Now we need to find out the wiring. It would be the nicest if the 12 volts turn on when the ignition is on. There is a radio, so this is not working. Probably not going to be working. So maybe I can just check if this gets 12 volts in ground somewhere. And I can just wire into that, because I don't care about the radio stuff. Maybe you can see those. There is some wires and a connector with red and brown wires. Maybe it will work. That would actually be, because then I can just connect and take 2 wires and, you know. Would be interesting to try to make this work at some point. I need to find some wires and some stuff so we can wire this thing up. If anyone is following my project with my friend Raymond, this channel, if you've seen any videos, you notice that his workshop is quite different than what I have. Now it's especially bad. The shelf, these 2 were supposed to be here. They fell down. And I have not prioritized to put them back on. We got some wires. Let's see if let's put everything back together. So one last test. Still charging. This may be a long shot, but I have a Buy Me a Coffee account. So if you want to support me, you can go there, you can buy me a coffee. You will get access to extra material, videos. There's already some there, which is only available for people who support.